Gonna get this out of here. This is the jump starter with air compressor that I've been carrying around. And this is what I've got to take its place right here. It's gonna take up less space. So this is the jump starter. Let's see what we got here. A nice little carrying case. It's gonna take up less space in my truck, I'm telling you. It also comes with where you charge it. It's got a charger cable right here. It comes with a light. In case you need to use a light. It tells you right here that this right here is where you charge other things, and this is the port that you use to crank your car with. Just take this and plug it in there like that. And you got the light flashing on the side. You can't put it in backwards, it won't let you. Because see how they're shaped different. This is completely round and this one's not. Plug it in just like that. You'll hook it up to your car and you want to try to crank it within 3 seconds. And we've also got this one right here. It's kind of like a pocket air compressor. This has also got a light on it. Comes with a bag. It comes with a couple of accessories here to hook to the end of it. It's got a user's manual. Comes with the hose. The hose screws in right here like this. Comes with one that you can use with your car cigarette lighter or 12-volt plug. Then it also has a charging cable. And to use this is real simple. You turn it on, and then you'll set your air pressure like this. You get that, and it starts it. Hold it down to turn it off. I always like to keep my owner's manuals just in case. I might want to look at it one day. So let's check this out. My other one, it took up this whole seat right here. This one, take that out. It's gonna go right here. That's a whole lot better, ain't it? I like it.